Good afternoon. I'm Justin McCartney. This is my first year at Chaparral High School. This is Model 4, the KESA model for AEP855. Got my notes here. We're going to talk a little bit about the KESA model and where we are at as a school. I finally got caught up with my head principal. This is his fourth year here at Chaparral High School, and we discussed kind of went into depth as to what we're doing as a school. I was not familiar with the 4Rs until this assignment, but after talking about it with him, it kind of puts in perspective everything that we are doing as a school and how it relates back to the Kansas educational system accreditation. So first off, like I said, this is our head principal's fourth year being the head principal. He had been here for quite a few years as athletic director and assistant principal. Actually, when I was going to school here, he was our assistant principal and athletic director as well. So when he come back to be principal, he implemented a respect and kindness mentality in Chaparral that kind of falls into the relationships category. And just here recently, we went through a 2-day training with capturing the kids' hearts. I'm really excited about how this is going to change the culture of our school. I would say, as far as in the relationships category of the 4Rs, we're currently in the transitioning and really pushing towards the modeling. I feel like our staff is all on board for this. We're trying to improve the culture of our school and make it a better environment for the kids. Moving on to relevance, once again, I feel like we're in the transitioning still, but we're really close to getting into the modeling. We're in our third or fourth year of transitioning to careers, which is a system where as sophomores, they really push job or guest speakers that come in from our community, guest speakers that have typically gone to school here, have a connection with our school, and talk about their success and what they do in the field that they're in. After that, we encourage juniors to do a job shadow one day and go out and explore what they might be interested in and see if it's something that they're really actually interested in and get their hands-on experience. And we encourage them to do as many as they want. You know, if they are unsure of what they want, then they can go out and explore as many as they like. This year, they actually implemented a mechanics program through Pratt Community College. Once again, a very exciting thing. I think that what we're doing with the students and trying to help them find stuff that they may not be necessarily college-bound students. We definitely don't overlook the college-bound students, and we really focus on trying to find something for them. But we're also looking at the kids that may be looking for a trade versus a college career. Moving on to responsive culture, we have, I think someone said today actually that 80% of our students are in poverty right now, and that was a shocking number to me to even fathom. We are in a community where we are impoverished, and we do have quite a few kids that are struggling at home with different things. And that's where the capturing the kids' hearts mentality comes in, and I think that we're doing a great job of getting it started and getting people in the door and shaking their hands and telling them we're glad to see them, and hopefully we get a personal connection with them that they will want to come to school and really appreciate what we're doing for them. On the rigor, back on the responsive culture, I think once again we're on the transitioning stage, but we're solid in the transitioning stage and really moving towards modeling on it as well. For rigor, we are pushing kids to take it upon themselves to learn the best way they know how. We also have the project-based learning in our school, so we have a leader in that department that she has taken it her own way and done a really good job with trying to get kids to learn on a project-based level, and doing several different projects and implementing the learning as far as that goes. So I think those are the major things of what we have going on. We also have Zello Mondays in our AP class, which we talk about focusing on the social emotional skills of our students and connecting with them and figuring out where they could land as far as a career. My personal plan for implementation is what I think we need to do is really follow through with what we have going on. We have a lot of wheels turning right now, and I feel like they're all moving in a positive direction, but we can't fall short on these kids, and we really need to push for as my principal said, is mean what you say and follow through with it, and that just means that simply if you say something, you need to follow through with what it is you're saying, and don't just stop with it halfway or anything, and let the kids know that we care, and we're not just doing this for our jobs or for a short period of time, as we actually really care about what we're doing and the kids that we're trying to affect. So I'm really excited about where we're at and where we're going. Like I said, we just need to follow through with it, and I really, really am excited to be a part of this team as a staff at Chaparral High School and our district as well.